check installed Android OS? Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check the installed Android OS version on your device. For that, first of all, you'll need to open the settings of your device. You may also scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap on the gear or the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do so, you will be taken to the settings page. Once you reach to the settings page, here you will need to scroll down and at the very bottom you'll be able to locate About Phone option. It may also be labeled as About Device in some of the devices. If in case you are not able to find this option, you may also tap on the search icon at the top right corner and then search for this specific option. And once you get it, simply tap on it to open it. And now here you can look for the Android version. In some of the devices, you might also need to tap on software information first depending on your device. Here look for software information and then simply tap on it. Now inside it, here you'll be able to look for Android version which is currently 14 and then look for the build number. So this is how you can check the installed Android OS version on your device. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.